Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Howard Finkel, and welcome to WrestleMania. Tonight in the squared circle, Yokozuna versus The Undertaker. This is for all the moonballs. That was close. Most impressive. What a rip-off. Wow, imagine this is. Forget about it. That wasn't even a challenge. Rejected to the midsection. Tonight in the squared circle, Yokozuna versus Bret Hart. Trying to get back to his feet. To the midsection. What a rip-off. Who will be the victor at WrestleMania? What kind of cheap move was that? Forget about it. To the midsection. You have to give credit to Yokozuna. Tonight in the squared circle, Yokozuna versus Lex Luger. To the face. What power? And that's right. What's this? What power? Did you see that? Ooh, that hurts. Tonight's matchup, Yokozuna versus Razor Ramon. He can't do that. Good night. To the face. What a rip-off. Here we go. What skill. Into the ropes. That was cheap. To the face. I wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that. You have to give credit to Yokozuna. Tonight's matchup, Yokozuna versus Yokozuna and Bam Bam Bigelow. Good night. That was close. Shocking. Who does he think he is? Get up, Yokozuna. Unbelievable. Who will be the victor? That's anybody's guess. Shocking! Here it comes! And... did you see that? That wasn't very nice. Listen to the crowd! Oh, come on! Oh, what a scale! Tonight's matchup, Yokozuna versus Shawn Michaels. And thank the crowd. Look at this! It could cost him the match! What speed! Did you see that? Hey, what's going on? Trying to get back to his feet. A miss! What's keeping these two guys up? Unbelievable! Anything can happen here in the World Wrestling Federation. Forget about it. That wasn't very nice. Somebody call security. Unbelievable. Tonight's matchup, Yokozuna versus Lex Luger and Bam Bam Bigelow and The Undertaker. What a jerk! Very impressive move by Yokozuna. Not a good idea. Just awesome! What a turn of events this is! That was beautiful! Look at this! What was he thinking? You have to give credit to Yokozuna! Anything can happen here in the World Wrestling Federation! To the midsection! Don't bother! Did you hear that? He can't do that! It's pandemonium in the ring! Here's the setup! Unbelievable! Oh, come on! Listen to the crowd! What a beating! He did it! Anything can happen here